And what a moment it is for these two teams. History here at ANZ Stadium as we are underway for the first ever NRLW Grand Final. Brigginshaw, Nutty, throwing dummies, going for the line. Can she get there?
With the live decision of try, there is insufficient evidence to determine whether Lavinia O'Mealy has grounded the ball. We have a decision.
Good looking kick here though from Zahara Tamara. It's off hands and this will be a try to the Roosters. Hands up there.
Knock on. Oh, come off a head.
Falcon.
Hang on.
Wow. So who gets the try assist?
Who cares?
The head.
The kick
I like
or the head?
Falcon.
The header.
Brayley. Ballinger. Heather Ballinger! Strength, determination, and the try. Brisbane regained the lead. Ali Brigginshaw, grubber kick towards the post. Beautifully weighted kick. They're coming out after it.
What have our first women's penalty try here? Yeah, well, you can't attack with the legs. She's got a grip of the ball. She's going to put it down. There's no doubt about it. She's got it in her hands, and then she kicks at it. That's an illegal play, and that's a penalty try.
Brayley, Brigginshaw had heaps of time. Federica, well tackled there by Stowers. Here they go. Arakura with the try. So hard to stop. She's been devastating off the bench and extends Brisbane's lead. Chelsea Baker goes straight through. Going for the corner. Gets a pass on the inside. Lavinia Goulds scores a try for Brisbane. Put it down to Chelsea Baker. Hilda. Oh, Amealy will go straight through and score. Well, the Roosters finally with their second try of the afternoon. The first try, the second half, Lavinia O'Mealy, the try scorer. Nutty showing, going for the line, ducking under tackles, reaches out, puts the ball down and scores the first try of the second half for the Broncos. The number 6 doing it all on her own. Ali Brigginshaw, they're backing away. Don't do that against Ali Brigginshaw. She'll make you pay, but not on this occasion as Mariah Storch puts the ball down. Siren sounds. Brisbane are the inaugural NRLW Premiers, defeating the Roosters 34 points to 12.